What is a gerund? Gerunds, pronounced as gerunds, are verbs that end in ing but function as nouns. Form verb plus ing, act as a noun in a sentence. They keep verb-like qualities such as using adverbs or taking objects. Like nouns, gerunds can function in various ways in a sentence. Spending time with family is the best moment for us. Here, spending act as a gerund. Smoking is not good for health. Here, smoking is gerund. You can improve your speaking, listening, reading, and writing from these educational materials. Here, speaking, listening, reading, and writing are gerunds. More explanation of gerunds. I like swimming. Like what swimming? The word swimming is formed from the verb swim. By adding ing, it is therefore like a verb. Swimming is used as the object of the verb like and hence does the work of a noun. The word swimming is therefore both a verb and a noun, thus it is a verb noun. More examples of gerunds. As a subject, running is good for your heart. Running is subject. Direct object, he hates waking up early. Waking is direct object. Subject complement, what I dislike most is repeating myself. Repeating is subject complement. Object complement, I saw Tom riding his bike. Riding is object complement. Object of a preposition, I am interested in improving myself. Improving is object of a proposition. Object of a possessive, she does not like your bossing her around. Here bossing is object of a possessive. Verbs followed by gerunds: admit, advise, allow, anticipate, acknowledge, appreciate, avoid, defer, delay, deny, detest, discuss, dislike, hate, need, neglect, start, stop, suggest, imagine, involve, permit, postpone, practice, prefer, purpose, tolerate, try, understand, urge, recall, recollect, recommend, report, require, resist, risk, quite, like, love, keep, mention, mind, enjoy, entail, finish, forget, bear, begin, complete, consider. These are all verbs followed by gerunds. Verb plus gerund sentences. Everyone kept complaining about the price hike. He admitted stealing the valuables. Why don't you consider repairing your car? Every thief dreads getting caught. Why should I risk getting scolded? I gave up learning French. Do you enjoy singing? Here verb is followed by gerund sentence. Kept is verb, complaining is gerund. Admitted is verb, stealing is gerund. Consider is verb, repairing is gerund. Dreads are verb, getting is repairing. Risk is verb, getting is gerund. Give up is verb, learning is gerund. Enjoy is verb, singing is gerund. What is gerund phrase? A phrase that consists of a gerund, its object, and any modifier. For example, eating shellfish quickly is a bad idea. Here eating is gerund, shellfish is direct object, quickly is modifier. These three words form gerund phrase. Reading the Quran daily uplifts Fatma's spirit. Here reading is gerund, the Quran direct object, daily is modifier. Use in sentences. Running in the park is good exercise. Running in the park subject. I enjoy baking cookies on the weekend. Baking cookies on the weekend act as object. Her favorite activity is reading mystery novels. Complement. More examples are teaching English is my passion. Here teaching is subject and teaching act as a gerund. English is object of the gerund. Everyone in my family loves playing here. Object of the verb loves. Playing is gerund. Here is modifier. Most people are scared of facing their fear. Object of the preposition of. Facing is gerund. Their fear is object noun phrase. My biggest mistake was trusting him. Subject complement. Trusting is gerund. Him is object. Now gerund versus gerund phrase. A gerund is simply the ing form of a verb acting as a noun. Running is good for health. Running is gerund. Is good for health is complement. Gerund phrases. A gerund phrase include the gerund itself and any modifier, objects or complements it. Act as a noun just like a gerund noun. Running every morning in the park helps me stay fit. Here running is gerund. Every morning in the park is modifier, gerund phrase. Helps is verb, me is object, stay fit complement.